Thank you for making it to this video, day 14 index function. This is Excel Daily Dose, myself Dayanand, and these are advanced functions playlist and Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Right now, right after learning a match function, which can tell you the position where the item you're looking for is located, it is time for you to learn index function, what index does. Okay, so consider VLOOKUP, match, index, all are in the same category. They are all lookup functions only. Let me show you an example of index. Same table I'm using. I also have VLOOKUP here, and I have match function and index function. Right, index 1D, index 2D, both I'll teach you in the same video. Now this is the lookup value 2015714, which is here, right here. So VLOOKUP does what? I have pulled out the second column value, whichever matches to this VLOOKUP ID. Lookup ID. In match function, we have found out what is the position of this number, a lookup value. It shows 1. Our range is from here to here. Okay, range is starting from A6. So the first one. Right. Now, index something does differently. Index will give you the value, match will give you the position, but index will give you the value at that position. Now if I tell index, give me from this array, give me say third item. It tells you the third item is 653. That's it. Very simple, pretty simple. So you can tell index from this range, give me this. So this is called 1D formula. So it's simply pulling out from one single column. Okay, now if I was to use 2D, this is how 2D formula goes. Give me from this table, from the row number 3, column number 2, shows Chris. This is the row number 3, 1, 2, 3, second column says Chris, and that value being retrieved. Now we got a fair idea what match can do, what index can do. Let's combine match and index to accomplish certain very difficult activity which no other formulas can do. Not even VLOOKUP can do with that, for that matter. Okay, I'll show you an example in the right now where I combine match and index and show you together how do we work out a solution for a certain problem. Okay, so give me a minute. All right, I'm ready with an example, ready with this data. So now the objective is this. I would like to retrieve the salary of Chris from the month of February. I might put any name here, I may put any month here. I may say give me salary for Adam in the month of March, and I want this formula to retrieve Adam's salary from the March only, not somebody else's. Now, can I do VLOOKUP? The answer is no, I cannot. Can I do match function? You may, but no, you'll not be able to accomplish complete. Can I do index function? Yes, you can do index function if you know which column and which row these items are. If you know which row the Adam is and which column March is, then you can certainly do an index function. But using an index function with match can do. But let me show you one only with index function. Index. Now this is the table. Yes, I'm going to use the table, entire table, right? So this is formatted as table, so it is picking up as a table value. Let me convert them back to the range. Sorry for that. Yeah, done. Now starting again, index. This is my index, A3 to D9, and row number. I know where, if I know it manually, I can simply say, okay, Adam is in second row and the month is in the 1, 2, 3, 4th column. So it picks up the salary for the Adam March, which is absolutely correct. But for the situation where I don't know which column Adam is, which column March is, and definitely if the values are in thousands, it's a nightmare. So what I can do, combine index with match function, achieve this. Next 2 minutes, pay attention. Okay, index function. I'll keep the same array. Okay, nothing changing in the array. Row number. Now I know match can tell us the position. Match can tell us the position. Right, let me use the match function. I'm combining index with match. Okay, right. Lookup value is the name. Let me first look at the position where this name is located. It may be Adam, it may be EU, Chris, Sachin, Krishna, whatever. I want to know the location or position of this value. Okay, lookup array is the column A, the same table. Right. And lookup value, I need exact match. Give me exact match, which is 0. Done. Now March is in the rows. Again, I need to find the position what March is in. Again, I'll use one more match function for the March value. It could be even Feb or Jan, whichever, but yes, I'm using March here. And lookup array will be only single row, the same table, the first row. Okay, and the match will be exact match. Okay, and let's close this match function, close the index function, and see the answer. You get Adam and the March salary 32,000. Now if I change this to Feb, it gives us 28. Let me change this to Chris. You say Chris also got same salary. Good. Let me give what Sachin got. 23,200. Perfect. Now this is how you can combine two functions in Excel and quickly make probable solutions for some problems. Okay, to summarize, I'm using index in order to find a row number. I'm using a match function. In order to find the column number, I'm using one more match function, one with the help of this column, one with the help of the rows. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, pause the video, and maybe you can try it yourself. That's best thing. Try it yourself. Take the same example, put the formula. You will definitely get there. Okay, if I break it down, what is happening here? If I break it down, the match function is simply returning for the first one. For the first match function, is simply returning the position of this one, which says fifth row. And another match function, the second match function we have used in the formula, is returning the position of this row, of this value, which is this value, Feb value. Okay, 0 for the exact match. 5, 3. Now if I am to use index function to summarize with index function from this table, from the fifth row, third column. This is what we have done here with big formula. If I break down the first match function, answer is this, and the second match function, answer is this. All right, so take your time and practice it daily. Just 5 minutes of practice can make you an expert in Excel. Okay, that's how I learned Excel by myself. Thank you. That's it for today. Please subscribe for more videos. If you learned anything in this video, please do share it with your friends. Sharing is always caring, yes. And leave your comments on how am I doing. Please hit the like button. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Happy learning.